The other big update we're getting for our viewers. Let's go to the next set of breaking updates. A police complaint has been filed in Patna's Digha police station against Bihar LOP and RJD leader Tejasvi Yadav over two matters. That is right. The complaint was filed by an advocate, Rajiv Ranjan. A case has not been registered yet so far. So this is what we see right now, viewers. Back-to-back updates coming in here on Republic TV. The police complaint has been filed in Patna's Digha police station against Bihar LOP and the RJD leader Tejasvi Yadav over two matters. The complaint has been filed by an advocate. Case has not been registered so far in this case, viewers. Huge update coming in right now, viewers on Republic TV, and this is the case involving Tejasvi. And in the latest coming in the voter ID row, I repeat, latest coming in the voter ID row, we are understanding that the complaint against Tejasvi, in the latest coming in is that the case has not been registered as of now, but the EC has issued a notice in this case. A police complaint has been filed in Patna's Digha police station against Bihar LOP and RJD leader Tejasvi Yadav over two epics matter. Okay, let's go straight across to my colleague who's joining us right now. Now, Tejasvi Yadav, this is a case where it was being investigated, but now we understand that the EC had refuted Tejasvi Yadav's claim that his name is not in the draft voter list. Akansha, let's take our viewers who latest coming in.
Well, absolutely. You see, a police complaint has been filed in Patna's Digha police station against Bihar LOP and RJD leader Tejasvi Yadav. Let me take you through what has happened in the last 2 days. Remember, day before yesterday, Tejasvi Yadav, he did a press conference in which he showed his epic number, that is elector's photo ID card, in which a number was mentioned. And he also went on to mention that his name has been deleted from the voter list. So two claims were made by Tejasvi Yadav as far as the Bihar survey is concerned. While speaking about the SIR, that is a special intensive revision, he had said that his name has been deleted, and then he also showed that epic number. A day later, that is yesterday, the Election Commission refuted the charges, firstly saying that his name is there in the voter list, and secondly, the epic number that he had showed to the media persons during the press conference, that in fact is completely invalid. Then the BJP had hit out at Tejasvi Yadav, in fact going on to say that whether he has two voter IDs. So on that, now a complaint has been filed by one of the persons there. The name of this person, so we are learning so far, is Rajiv Ranjan. He's an advocate, but the update is that no case, no FIR has been registered on his complaint to the Digha police station, where he has launched this complaint against the LOP, Bihar LOP and RJD leader Tejasvi Yadav. So definitely, as far as Tejasvi Yadav is concerned, he is in the dock as far as his major claims are concerned. But Election Commission has refuted the charges. They have in fact most importantly sought the photocopy of his voter ID for verification and investigation in this case. So the heat is mounting on Tejasvi Yadav. Now a complaint has been filed against him. It remains to be seen whether or not the police will file the FIR in this case.
Right. Yes, Akansha, thank you for those details. Election Commission had already issued a notice to Tejasvi Yadav over the epic numbers. And I really have to move ahead right now, Kansha, to some of the other stories we're tracking here on Republic TV. Okay, let's move ahead to the other story we're tracking here. Hexacopters are being used to drop bombs.